So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clear the Instagram search history in your Instagram profile account. So all you have to do is to open the Instagram application in your smartphone. Once you open the Instagram application, you have to go to the your profile option at the below right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and you have to go to the option of your activity. It's right there. Click on it, and here you see an option of recent searches on the fifth number of the list. You can see it's just right there. You need to click on this option, and here you see the all the recent searches you have done on the search bar of the Instagram. All you have to do is to click on the clear all option at the top right corner. You can see it's just right there. Once you click on it, a warning will pop up of clearing the search history. You need to click on clear all, and once you click, all the search history has been now cleared from your Instagram account. So that's a very quick and interesting tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.